Hey Jacksonville, Eric here with Florida Cooling Store, flcooling.com, where you can always find the lowest prices up front on installed air conditioners. No bait and switch. We respect you and we respect your time. So if you're tired of the glossy magazines, they'll show you one price and show up with a much higher price, then come on over to Florida Cooling Store. We install high-quality factory new AC systems, American-made from Trane and Goodman, two highest quality systems on the market. There are three easy methods to shop for a new AC at Florida Cooling Store. 1. Give us a call, 904-302-9507. Most cases we can take your information right over the phone, give you an install price right there. I mean, we do this every day. We've been doing this for quite a while. So 2. Go to flcooling.com, fill out our online famous quick quote form. One of our agents will get your information, turn that into an interactive quote specifically tailored to you and your home with our online sizing tools. We can put in different options, different system matchups. Once you have that quote tailored to the way you like it for your home, you can accept and schedule from right inside the quote, right from your own home. 3, sometimes some installs just need a site visit, okay? Sometimes, there's a horizontal air handler up in the attic, or maybe the condenser's outside a bedroom window, it just needs to be moved. Either way, maybe you're not sure what size you've got right now in your home, or if it's even the right size. If that's the case, let's schedule a site visit right away, no charge. One of our skilled agents, again, will show up and go over your options with you and determine that you have the correct size for your home. Okay, we service everything we sell, everything we install, and we believe in treating you right. Some of these services we offer, high quality AC installations, professional service on the other air conditioners. We do maintenance agreements, indoor air quality. We offer financing, 100% financing, no money down with approved credit. So as well as expert commercial refrigeration service as well. So if your BTUs ain't what they used to be, call Florida Cooling Store, 904-302-9507 or flcooling.com. We keep Jacksonville comfortable.